Mr. Salmond.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As I'm sure you'll understand, I'm not permitted to say too much today, save that we've lodged our defence statement with the court. It pleads not guilty to all charges and explains some of the circumstances in which they've come about. I'm also conscious we're in the middle of a general election campaign, and I'm not going to say anything which would influence that democratic process. We're now into our second year of court actions, first civil and now criminal. It's over 10 months since we won the civil action. I'm innocent and I will defend my position vigorously. But the only proper place to answer criminal charges is in this court. And that's exactly what we intend to do next spring. Now, I'd love to take your questions, but you'll understand that that'll have to wait for another day. So if you forgive me, I'm going to go with my legal team over to Parliament Hall for a consultation. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
Captain, Captain.
And now Alex Salmond.
Back.